Hello RV people! On this video I'd like to show you how to mount TV in your RV. For example, if you buy an RV and it doesn't come with an RV, with a TV mounted, so what you have to do is basically, as you can see, this is a 2018 Tour Majestic. So I got it from Cruise America. So somehow it doesn't have any TV in it. So I looked around, as you can see. So like the 23 feet one, no TV anywhere. So what I looked for was, usually the TVs are above the cubover area. So, but this one doesn't have any TV. But if we look here, you see behind here, right above the driver seat, there is this the TV, the coax cable and the socket place. So this is a good place to, if you want to mount, this is a good place to mount. So what you have to do is, some of the RVs, they have already like some call like television barker sticker. So that barker sticker means that, let's say for example, if there's a television barker sticker here, that means behind it there's a metal plate. So that would be a perfect place for you to mount your TV. But my case, how do I know if there's a metal plate behind here, right? So I got a magnet right here, right? I got a magnet, so I put the magnet around. The magnet doesn't grab to anything, nothing. So that means there's no, TV backer, there's no sticker, and then there's no metal plate here. So I looked around. Obviously, they're not gonna put it either way. They're not gonna put it further from your TV connections, right? So that means there's none. And I looked in the behind over there. There's none. So what I came up with is, basically I'm gonna mount the TV, the TV mount to here. This is a perfect place. So why do I have to risk here? This material behind is like, RV foam. The wall is not the strongest, but this cabinet is strong. No worries right here, right? So this is where I'm going to be mounting the mount. So I will link under the description the Amazon link. I'll put in the description the Amazon link where you can grab the best TV mount for your RV. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble it and put it here. All right, stay tuned. All right, so this is what I'm going to be using, this mounted brand TV, kind of swivel TV mount, as you can see. So this mount, it comes with the mount, with the flexible mount like that, very simple. And then this is where you're gonna be. This is the first thing where you're gonna be putting. We're gonna slide it like that, like that. But you have to put this, in the cabinet. You have to screw this in the cabinet first, and it has a nice level. It comes in, so you can level, before you drill the hole. Also, it comes. I'm gonna be using what's that? Vizio? Yeah, Vizio TV. Mine is a 32-inch. So this mount, they say, is good up to 42-inch TV. But this 32-inch Vizio TV, it only weighs less than 10 pounds, like 9 pounds or something. So it's pretty light. But they say it could hold up to what, like 32 pounds or something. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly, but you'll see when I put it on the description, you'll see how much maximum weight it will hold. But for me, this is big enough size, 32-inch TV. It's gonna nicely fit over there. I measured it first. Definitely measure the area before you put the TV, if it's gonna slide in nicely and swivel and extend and retract, stuff like that. So it comes with this mount. I already mounted it, 1, 2, 3, 4 on my TV, but yours might be, if the holes might be different size. The good thing is this thing comes with extensions. So this mount comes with extensions. These are extension arms. So these things, these extension arms could be added to these corners, and then based on your TV bolt locations, you can bolt them up. But mine is not necessary. I don't need these things because my TV exactly kind of fits the mount right directly, right? All right, so that's done. So next step is, before you mount this bracket, I mean the main thing, right? It's recommended that to put to cut a wood, and then to screw this on a wood first. So what I did is I cut a wood based on the same exact size like that. Let me show you. And I tapped it, just to make it look, to match it, but I just tapped it. So this is the wood I cut. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw the mount, this thing, on the wood first, or you just actually, let's see, yeah, so I'm just gonna the good thing is it comes with all the screws you need, so this is pretty good enough. Yeah, so this I'm gonna just drill it, and then I'm gonna drill on the spot, on the RV, on the cabinet, and then just drill it with this, and then stick it with this. So it's good support. It will be very strong and good support. And then that's it, and then you just slide in the arm, and then connect the arm to the TV, and you're all set. And the good thing is, they give you a second mounting, thing too, like this. So they give you, so you can. That's why I have a second set of wood piece to put it on another location. I'm thinking maybe above the dining area, So when we sit in the dining area, we can have a TV set. So I'm gonna have two locations, so we can move them around. If we decide to have it above the cab over area, we can put it there. And then if we decide to move the TV to another location where this mount is mounted, we can move it to, so you can choose based on which areas you want to move your TV, based on your needs, or based on the amount of people that want to watch. So it's really amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'll show you step by step. Next is just drilling and drilling in the RV. So this company itself, they have a very nice tutorial video on how you can how you supposed to drill, and everything you have to do to mount it on your RV. They have a nice video, so when you go on the Amazon link, you can see their video for all the descriptions of how much you have to drill, how many inches, stuff like that, all that, the detailed stuff. All right, so let's keep. And then also, it comes with a nice instruction on what you have to do. They have two options: permanent installation and then temporary, something like that. So you can choose based on if you want temporary or permanent. I'm just gonna go with these are, I guess, they're permanent, and then I can move the TV based on where I want. All right, I'll show you for the next step. All right, keep watching. All right, so there's a little bit change now. So as you can see, this area right above the driver seat, which on the cab over bed area. So the original 32-inch TV wouldn't be able to fit here. Yeah, it's too big. Looks small, but for this application, it's too big. So even if I try to fold it, it's just gonna be too much on the way. So what I did is I ended up getting this Insignia 19-inch. Yeah, so I'll put at the description under the link. Yeah, so this has a super high review for, especially if you're dealing with a small spaces, for example, like this in an RV, and you don't have a proper original location. So this is perfect. So I just downgraded to 19-inch TV, which is perfect. So it's just gonna flush and sit here while driving position, and then with the mount it's gonna come out here, and then people sitting here on this seat or on this single seat by the entrance could be able to view it. So the mount basically looks like this. So upside down. So yeah, so what I did is basically that mount comes with this is the mount you have to do. So, and then I cut a wood, and then yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do is, let me move my hand. Yeah, so I'm just gonna nicely screw it. I already drilled a hole here, a little bit, maybe half an inch hole, and then it's just gonna screw it here. Once it's screwed here, then we're gonna put the arm, slide the arm in here, and we're almost done. So that's basically what I'm doing. So I'll show you all the way. So now let's screw this in. All right, now it's installed. This is the end result. So very nice. It's perfect, the size. Just can move it here, can turn it this way, and then just how it looks in the back, nicely flush. So if you want to drive around, you just like a loosen here, and then you just turn it, then drive in position. Gonna be nice and flush. Yeah, so like that. When it's driving position, just out of the way, just tight. You know, there's like 1, 2, 3. You have to tight so it doesn't rattle. You know, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Whenever you need it, you just pull it out. You can see from the entry seat right here, or from here. Super, I love it. Installed. All right. Hope this helps. All right, guys, enjoy. Ciao.